Have you ever thought about the best way to arrange your kitchen appliances for both convenience and energy savings? It is a common question, and getting it right can make a real difference in your home's efficiency. When it comes to placing a refrigerator next to a stove, the clear answer for optimal energy efficiency and appliance longevity is generally no. Placing these two appliances side by side can lead to your refrigerator working harder than it needs to, which in turn uses more electricity and could shorten its lifespan. The main reason for this recommendation lies in the fundamental principles of thermodynamics and heat transfer. Stoves generate a significant amount of heat during cooking, and this heat radiates outwards. When a refrigerator is positioned directly next to a heat source, it absorbs that excess warmth. To counteract this, the refrigerator's compressor must run more frequently and for longer periods to maintain its internal cool temperature, directly increasing its energy consumption. Even with modern insulation, the continuous exposure to heat forces your refrigerator to operate less efficiently. Think of it like trying to keep a room cool with the windows open on a hot day. Your air conditioner would struggle. Similarly, your refrigerator struggles when constantly exposed to external heat, leading to higher utility bills over time. If your kitchen layout makes it unavoidable to place these appliances next to each other, you can take steps to mitigate the impact. Consider adding a heat shield, which is a thin piece of insulation material, between the refrigerator and the stove. You can also ensure there is at least a few inches of air gap for proper ventilation around both appliances, allowing heat to dissipate more effectively rather than being trapped. Understanding this simple principle of heat transfer empowers you to make smarter choices for your home. By keeping heat-generating appliances separated from cooling appliances, you protect your investments and reduce unnecessary energy waste. This small adjustment in appliance placement can contribute to a more energy-efficient and comfortable living space, helping you save money on your monthly utility expenses.